In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in OBS Studio, a powerful open source software for video recording and live streaming. OBS Studio is known for its versatility and customizability, making it a popular choice among streamers and content creators. Changing the language in OBS Studio is a simple process, but it's crucial for enhancing your user experience and ensuring you have a smooth and intuitive setup. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open OBS Studio. This is the application you'll use for broadcasting or recording your videos. So if you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the official OBS Studio website. Opening OBS is as simple as double-clicking the shortcut on your desktop or finding it in your list of installed programs. Once OBS Studio is up and running, you'll be greeted with the primary dashboard where you can start configuring your recording settings, scenes, and much more. Now, the next step is to go into the Settings menu, which is our primary focus today. You can find the Settings button typically located at the bottom right corner of the window. Clicking on this will open up a new window with multiple options that can be tailored to fit your specific needs. Now, within this menu, we're interested in the General tab, which you should see on the left-hand side. The General tab is where you can make some broad adjustments that affect how the software behaves. It's here at the very top where you'll see the language option. This setting allows you to set the interface and prompts of OBS Studio in the language that you are most comfortable with. It's quite beneficial for users who are working in a language different from their native tongue. Here, simply click on the drop-down menu next to the language label, and you'll find a list of different languages available. Scroll through and select the one you want to switch to, and once selected, the program will adjust accordingly, providing you with tools and labels in your preferred language. Finally, to ensure your updates take effect, consider restarting OBS Studio after changing the language. While not always necessary, it can help in cementing changes. This step ensures that all aspects of the user interface are displaying the preferred language accurately, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated the language settings within OBS Studio. By customizing your language settings, you'll be able to navigate the software more efficiently, making for a more enjoyable and streamlined user experience, whether you're recording videos or setting up for a live stream. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore other settings in OBS to customize your setup even further.